Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily dosage of Canadian GT. Today we're going to be working on this bad boy. I'm going to clean it because women are dirty, filthy animals. Just joking, wife. It's actually the dirtiest I think it's ever been in its life, and it's just dusty. Probably can't see it, but the windshield has like a smoker's haze to it, and none of us smoke, so, but it's just filthy. It needs a good cleaning, good wash, so while the wife's at work, I will be performing that. And also, I'll be putting the summer wheels back on. You know what's sad is that, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did the video where we did all the inlays. Well, we put all the inlays on the winter wheels, and they didn't stick very well. So we did what we could with them, and they ended up all falling off. And that was like a $25 bill right there. It's all gone. Man, the mud is just caked in there too, eh? Huh. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing today. And bringing you along the day. Obviously, I'm not gonna, videotape me, with rags in the car, but I'll show you the car with the summers on. I think I really like the look of the winters. I'm glad in Canada all these cars came with both sets, even though we almost didn't get it from the dealership. But the summer wheels look really good, and I'm really contemplating taking that off because it's just literally hindering performance. I know there's a reason for it, but it's just a pad that you can peel off the intercooler, and then it extends the cooling of the air in the intercooler. Got a big dent down there too. Jeez Louise. Huh. Anyway, so that's the day today. Stay tuned. I just started vacuuming, and it took me way longer than it should have because this vacuum sucks. Well, not literally. It sucks at sucking. Didn't get everything, but listen to this thing. I think she's on her last legs, so it's gonna take a while. She's all shined up, for the most part anyway. Inside is much cleaner. I know I didn't go into full detail, but it looks pretty good to what it looked like before anyway. No haze on the windshield. Looks brand new. Just got to spray the new car scent stuff in here, which I think it's imperative that you do that every time you wash your car. And what else? Vacuum's busted pretty much. And I'm going to run to the body shop, get my wheels. They said it no issue taking that off, so that's good news. I'll put the summers on this thing, and then I will grab the other side and bring it to the body shop for this. And hopefully the wheels will be done, get the Targa, and yeah, just finish the two vehicles today. I love the way the RS looks with the summer wheels and tires. Looks really good, and it has much more grip, much more confidence when you're going into the corners. So stay tuned. The body shop, I'm gonna go grab the wheels and show you guys what they could do. At home, I realized I forgot to put in that crappy shop vac, and it's still on my back pad. So what a nice neighborhood I live in. Jeez, I thought that it would be gone. I wouldn't even mind if it was gone. That's how crappy that thing is. But anyway, let's go check out the wheels. All right, so here they are. They look like they are fixed for the most part. He said he had to use some kind of acid solution, very minimal amount of it, and then he just polished them. So there are little light scratches here and there, but I'm pretty sure I can get those out. It's a lot better than it was, as you can see. So I don't know what they're going to do with the Targa, because The Targa can't have acid bath on it. So I'll get the wheels all finished up, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do with the Targa top and the rest of the car. Got all the wheels out. It looks like I put them away a little dirty. It's not like me. Usually I clean them up real nice. So, as you can see, the RS inlays stayed on the Summers, and I don't think they're going anywhere. So I'm going to give these a nice scrub before I put them on, and then they're going to go on. So, stay watching. Just cleaned up the wheels, and something I noticed. I got wheat rim cleaner on the right, and window cleaner on the left. Foam window cleaner. Which one do you think cleans a wheel better? I suppose you would think that the right stuff that has it right in the label would clean it better. But I used that on 2 wheels, and it came out decent, but kind of grimy. It's like oil based for sure, and just not the look I thought it would bring out. So I used window cleaner on the last wheel, and there is no grime on it. It may have cleaned it a little bit worse, mind you, but I only went over it once. But this wheel looks a lot better than that wheel. I know it's directly in the sun, but this one was done by the window cleaner as well. I don't know if the camera will show you, but there's a lot less like dullness to the wheel. I use foam and glass cleaner for pretty much everything that I need to clean. When I put the wheels on, I'm going to clean the arches there. It just has a little bit of wet mud on it. I'm going to clean it very gently so it doesn't scratch. But weird, eh? Just a little tidbit. Of course, when you're in here, you got to clean the brembos up. Pretty dirty. I cleaned them up when I put the winters on, and they've already collected a decent amount of dust. So yeah, if you're in here, you have an RS. Hey, look at that brake vent. Huh. Awesome. Did not know that. Clean up the brembos. First one is on, and you can see the difference right there. So there's the winter tire package on the rear, summer tire package on the front with the Mission Pilot Sport 2s, super soft tire, and the summers look a lot better. So, I'm using my gun, never put the nut on with the zip gun and just go for tightening it, because it'll screw the lug nut huge or the stud, and then you're in big trouble. So what I always do, which everyone should do, put the nut on the extension with the socket, spin it till it's tight, hand tight at least, and do it to all 5 in the star pattern, and then zip it on to make it nice and tight. Now, I'm going to do a weight comparison on the winter wheel, just out of sheer curiosity, see which one's heavier. So I'm not using an actual scale because I don't have one. It's not bad, but I should be able to get a decent. Yeah, I think the summers are lighter. Could be the tire weight, the weight of the tire, but summers are definitely lighter wheel and tire combination. Yeah. Be interesting to see what they actually weigh. If anyone has those numbers, shoot them in the comment section below. But I'm going to continue on this journey today. All 4 are on. That is one thing I hate doing without a hoist, is wheels. And I gotta put them on the frickin' Supra now too, because of the body shop mishap. So the brakes are all cleaned up. Gotta torque the wheels. Man, I forgot how good these wheels look compared to the Winters. Huh. So yeah, they are all on, looking good. Does anyone else have a different wheel setup? I'm kind of curious what the options are. I know these are a different bolt pattern than the usual, but I always thought about getting different wheels, me and the wife. So if you do have different wheels than the factory forged Summers, let me know and show me if you can. I'm interested to see what people's setups are, and I guess we'll go from there for deciding on what wheel package we want to go with. But there she is. I'm going to torque the wheels, clean up the last winter wheel, put it away. I'm not even going to touch the super wheels today because I'm just done. It's like plus 20 out and the sun's just beating right on me. So I think I'm going to conclude this video, and tomorrow I will probably, if I do a video, it'll be about the Supra, the Targa top, and the other wheels will be going into the body shop. So stay tuned for that. And I moved the Supra and the Type R because the Supra is going under the knife soon with the new engine right there. So it'll be a lot of cool videos from here on in. So if you haven't already, please like and at least think about, subscribing to the channel. All right, peace.